As a generator and a manifesting generator, you have an amazing tool to guide you through life, and that is your defined sacral center. Your defined sacral center is an inner GPS. Now, how do you make the best use of that? In this video, I will share with you the best tools in order to make the best use of your inner GPS. My name is Nicolene Huizinga. I'm an intuitive business mentor and human design coach. In this crowded world of systems and blueprints for running a business successfully, I help entrepreneurs to tap into their own blueprint and run their business successfully on their own terms. As a generator or a manifesting generator, you have a defined sacral center. When you look at your body graph, the second square from the bottom is colored, which means that it's defined. And defined means that you have a consistent energy going on in that particular center. Now, the sacral center is the center for life force and life energy. And as a generator and a manifesting generator, you will have lots of that. You have lots of that, which is great. But on the other hand, if you don't do the things that are absolutely right for you, even a generator or a manifesting generator can end up in a burnout situation. In order to prevent that, we really need to make sure that as a generator or a manifesting generator, you do the things that absolutely light you up. Now, how does that work? First of all, the best way to find out whether or not you're doing the things that light you up is to ask yourself yes and no questions, so closed questions. And for instance, those questions could be, is this really lighting me up? Am I really getting joy from doing this? Does this contribute to my purpose? Am I really being happy doing this? Am I doing this with the right people? Do I need to be doing this now? All those questions are really helpful in order to make sure that you get a right yes and no answer. Your sacral center is very quick to respond. So it will be either a verbal yes or no that comes up, or it will be a physical reaction. And the physical reaction could be a butterfly feeling. It could be goosebumps. It could be like a clenched feeling in your stomach, if it's a no. It could be any feeling, but your body will always respond. The only thing is we're not trained to listen to it. So this is what I really want you to do, to close your eyes and to feel what's going on in your body. So even better than asking yourself those yes and no questions is have someone else asking you the yes and no questions. Your body will respond. And the most wonderful thing is that your body is always quicker, your sacral center is quicker than your head. Your head will follow like a second and a half later. So be aware of those physical responses. Third is that your body may not give you like a physical response, but it could be a sound. And it could be a sound like mm-hmm for yes. It could be mm-mm for no. Or it could be for I don't know. And when you have a defined sacral center and you feel the it's always a no. Then another way that your sacral center could be talking to you could be like nonverbal. So it could be that you're leaning in when someone talks to you about a project. And that's like a physical response of, oh, I'm interested, tell me more. Or it could be that you're leaning backwards. Or it could be that you're crossing your arms. Or it could be that you're just shaking your head subconsciously. So be aware of those nonverbal signs because your sacral center is talking to you. Now, I'm not saying that your sacral center is initially the best way to take a decision, because as generators and manifesting generators, our sacral center will light up when you do something that you love or you're asked to do something that you love. But the second step you shouldn't skip is to use your authority, your decision-making process, in order to get to the right choice. So when you have sacral authority, great. You can use the yes and no questions and you will have an answer. When you have emotional authority, however, and of course there are other authorities, but I really want to highlight the emotional authority. You have emotional authority. You need to wait out the entire wave in order to get to the best decision. So you need to sit out the wave of emotions in order to get neutral clarity on what it is that you want to be doing. If you want to know more about your human design and how to apply it to business, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Another thing that you can do is join my free Facebook group for generators and manifesting generators, where I will give you great tips and tricks on how to navigate your design and how to use it in life and business. See you next time.